In this video, we're going to use models to solve an addition problem. So in this case, we're using blocks to help us solve an addition problem. So if we have something like this that says, how many hundreds, tens, and ones blocks are there in total? And then complete the addition sentence 328 plus 141. And what does that equal? So if we look at this, there's 3 hundreds blocks here, so that equals this 3 here. There's 2 tens blocks here, which equals this 2 here. There's 8 ones blocks here, which equals this 8 here. Then for the next one, it's the same kind of thing. There's 1 hundreds block, which equals this 1 here. There's 4 tens blocks, which equals the 4 here. And then there's 1 1 block, which equals the 1 here. So an easy way to do this is to use a chart, and we have here the hundreds, tens, ones, remembering your place values. The hundreds are in pink, the tens are in purple, the ones are in blue. And so you could collect them all and put them in here, each of the place values, so that you can add them up. So let's start with the pink. So if we add up the hundreds, we'll put these 3 blocks here, and then this one also over here. So how's that going to look? It'll look like this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. So let's write that in. 4 hundreds. So now let's move to the tens place value. So what we would need to do here then is move these 2 down here and then these 4 down here. And how will that look? It'll look like this. So we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 in the tens. So let's write that in. 6 tens. Now we're going to look at the ones. So what we would need to do is move these 8 over here and then this 1 over here as well. How would that look? It'll look like this. So let's count them all. We know we have 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we add this, becomes 9. So we have 9 ones. So let's write that in. So we answered the first part of the question. We have 4 hundreds, 6 tens, and 9 ones. So now we need to complete the addition sentence. 328 plus 141 equals what? Well, we know what it is. It's 469, right? 469. So let's write that in using our colors. So it would be 4 first. Ooh, let's undo that. 4 in pink, and then 6, and then 9. So the answer is 469. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewind the video and watch it again. And anyone can do math. Just remember that.